as I was saying, bay, na ako'y gina-follow na si Bashar, no? And meron niya siyang gina-story before na about your excitement. And meron niya siyang story talaga specifically na you can travel the world and do what you love to do. Kasi meron daw story na photographer na gusto daw niya mag-photograph around the world. But wala siyang pera. So kinausap niya yung airlines na, oy, pwede ba na mag-picture ko yung mga favorite sites niyo. In exchange, bigyan niyo ako ng accommodation. Oh, brother, sige. And then, capturing yung mga favorite site. And then, sabi ng airlines, oh sige, I'll put you in the best hotel, give you mga accommodation mo, ako bahala. And I was sharing this story kasi I feel like I'm already in this point now na manifest ko. Hindi lang ako photographer, but more of a content creator. But like now, nandito ako sa Cebu ngayon, nilibre ako ng accommodation ko, put me in one of the best hotel dito, and libre na yung ticket ko, tapos meron pa akong mga bodyguard. Oh, char. So, bless and love, brother. Manifest, no? It's a dream. Dreams comes true. Reality manifest.